Hi there guys, Johnny Rose here, and today I'm really excited to talk to you about an incredible new system and software launch called the Loci Cycle, or the Loci Cycle, which is a brand new system and method which has been launched by the internet multimillionaires and heroes J. Cruz and Chris Munch. Now, if you know about J. Cruz and Chris Munch, they have built an incredible company, a proper company with scores and scores of people. They're not a small development team which just appears out of nowhere then disappears when you buy their products. They have a proper company called Amplifier, and basically they've been going now for about 12 years. In fact, I'm a customer of Jay and Chris's. I am a customer of their company. I've bought some of their softwares before and have used them, so I know just how good they are. And Loci method is basically, or Loci method is basically their latest software and tool, which they've been working on for about 2 years now. And I know this because, again, I'm a customer. I've been getting tons and tons of updates. And basically what the Loci method does, and you can see it in action, if you want to see it in action, there are several links in the description. If you click my link below, you can actually go through to the Loci method sales page and see what it's all about, see a demo, see exactly how it works. I'm going to talk about it myself and talk about some bonuses you'll get if you decide to buy it through my link below. But there's also some other links. If you look down in my description box, I actually do a further review when I'm at my computer, where I talk more through it and what it's about. That's down below in the description box. And I also have a special exclusive Loci method reveal where I got my hands on, because I'm a customer, I've actually bought in already. I got my hands on a 44-page document, which was actually before this was released to the general public, circulated amongst customers of Amplifier. So I've actually go through a 44-page secret document which reveals everything, so you can actually see what you're getting into before you purchase and buy the Loci method. Because it actually, and again, that's in the link below, because the Loci method, which again I'll talk to you about in a moment, I just wanted to give you some context, is a high ticket offer. You're going to be paying $3,500 to get involved in this. And the reason why it's so expensive is because it works, because this is a real company with a real product, with a real system, with a real software, which is going to make you a lot of money. And all of their beta testers, again, they've been working on this for 2 years. The Loci method, the Loci Cycle method, has actually been available in beta for about past 4 months, and people are making tens of thousands of dollars a week with it. Now, what is the method? Again, you can click the link below and go straight through to the sales page. Go straight through to the sales page. You can see more income proof and more testimonials and demos. But in a nutshell, and I'm probably not going to do it justice, but in a nutshell, you're going to learn and be able to do several things with the Loci method. It's basically enabling anyone, if you have zero technical knowledge, zero software knowledge, zero creative or internet marketing knowledge, to make thousands of dollars a week, either as affiliate marketers or with crypto, without actually spending or investing any money in crypto. So that's it. You can make tons of money with crypto. You're going to get paid tons of money in crypto or in your local currency without actually doing any investment. And how the system works, you can use it for making money with crypto, or you can use it for affiliate marketing, which is what I've been doing. I've not been using it to make money with crypto. I've been using it for affiliate marketing. The way the system works is Amplifier is this incredible tool. This is the software part of the training. There's training to teach you how to do all of this and how to be an affiliate marketer and how to make money with crypto without investing. But the key software basically creates for you small, simple websites. This is all done by the software. You don't have to drag and drop anything or do anything. The software creates small, simple websites with affiliate links in them. So when people visit those websites and buy something, you get a commission. But here's the incredible thing with Amplifier: it blasts out links to those websites to about 400 different massive websites. So you get tons of traffic immediately. It turns your websites into podcasts. So, you know, podcasts which you listen to, it turns your website into podcasts. So if people are searching for any topics on, you know, podcasts on iTunes, they will find your website. It turns your website into podcasts, press releases, so that your website turns up on USA Today and Fox News and NBC and ABN. It blasts it into blog posts. It turns it into slides. Basically, in a few clicks, you can turn your affiliate websites and dominate the first page of Google, because your website will have been turned into multiple different formats for people looking for different things: podcasts, slides and presentations, articles, blog posts, press releases. It's insane. You can basically cover the first page of Google with your different various websites, all because Amplify will have changed your website into different types of content, and they will all be ranking, you know, search term 1, search term 2, search term 4, search term 7. You can cover an entire page all pointing back to your website, your affiliate link with the Amplifier system. And again, if that doesn't make too much sense to you because maybe you're a bit new to this, I mean, you should know about Amplifier at this point. Again, the company's been around for 12 years now, and their software, which again, I use myself, totally works and is amazing. But again, click the link below, go through to the sales page. If you do decide to jump in and get the Loci Cycle today, or whenever you purchase it, I've got a little bonus for you as well. I've got something special which I want to give to you to say thank you for jumping in. If you do look at it, if you click the link below and go to the sales page and actually purchase it, watch the webinar and decide it's for you, because you should watch the webinar to just educate yourself on everything. If you do purchase through my link below, you'll have to click my link below and buy. Email me using my email address down in the description box, and I'm going to give you all of my best-selling products of the past year and all of the upgrades in those products. So I've got about 11 products I've put together into a bundle. It will cost you normally thousands and thousands of dollars to buy all of these products and all of the upgrades. This is what my customers have had to pay. As a thank you to you for purchasing the Loci Cycle method through my link below, you can't purchase it through anyone else's link. You'll have to click the link below this video. If you email me using the email address in the description box below, I'm going to give you 11 of my best-selling products and all of the upgrades in those products. All of the upgrades, these all make money online products. You're going to get all of the upgrades. That's the pro versions, the done for you versions, the resell rights, the coaching, all of that will come to you if you purchase the Loci Cycle through my link below and send me your receipt. Email me your receipt and I'll send you your bonuses. Now click the link below, check out Loci Cycle now and see if it's for you. Jump in and don't forget to email me your receipt to get your bonuses. Click the link below now, go through to the sales page and pick it up.